Wanted to stand out and find something that was really interesting. I saw these beautiful bronze dyes, and the pasta is mixed inside the extruder, and then it gives the texture on the noodle. It's very thick, it's always al dente, it holds a really good sauce. So we called it Fiori, which means flour in Italian. We're gonna make a Fiori pasta with a lemon cream sauce. I've got my water boiling. So we're gonna throw this in. The lemon cream sauce, mascarpone, fontina, white wine, garlic, Parmesan, and it is the best cream sauce that you can get in a jar. Okay, so I'm gonna heat up some olive oil. We're gonna sear some of this cauliflower. You've got some nice golden sear. So we're gonna throw in our cream sauce. It's gonna be thick, but it's gonna begin to thin out as you heat it up. Take my pasta, get it as quick as you can. You're gonna spill some pasta water on the floor, and then you're just gonna begin to stir it up. I'm gonna finish it with a little of this Parmigiano. We want a little texture, so we're doing a little pistachio crumble, flat leaf Italian parsley, and with a little extra virgin olive oil. And there we have Fiori noodle with our lemon cream sauce. Okay, so Heidi is a server at our restaurant in Rock Hill, and Heidi is the sweetest person I've ever met, and Heidi loves this pasta. How often do you eat it at the restaurant?
A little too much, probably, to be honest.
All right, tell me, what do you think?
That is just amazing.
It's so good.
The cream and the butter, they mix so well together. And the Parmesan on top adds a great little salty taste. There's so much thought into the dish. It really is so amazing.